should know. I've been going solo. Want my love, baby, earn it. Yeah, dancing on my own. See if you can follow. Got me feeling alive. Watch me go. Lose control. Is this real?
Since I got the 2015 MacBook Pro, I dropped Adobe Premiere Pro as my main editing software. First, because I could not afford the monthly subscription, and second, because the program will always crash. DaVinci hype was all over the internet, and I had to jump ships and maybe relearn editing on this software. To cut the story short, I have been using DaVinci Resolve on my 2015 MacBook Pro for 8 months now, and all I can say, it has been a smooth journey. I do not shoot my footage at 4K because 1. I do not have the capacity to do so, the storage, the gears, and the whatnot. I mainly shoot my footage at 1080p since it is the most common, and people will not be able to see a significant difference between 4K and 1080p, plus will save people on their data. This video has not been sponsored by DaVinci. The 2015 MacBook Pro is always regarded as the best Mac that Apple ever released. Now that the M series Macs are out, I really doubt if that statement still holds up. I'm curious to know what you think on the comment section. Being a YouTuber is crazy, and you need a good computer that is going to hold up when editing, writing scripts, and researching on the internet. I use my computer more than I use my phone when watching movies, YouTube videos, reading emails, writing scripts, and the list goes on and on. This machine is capable of doing that and more. The keyboard is the best that I have ever used in a personal computer. Though I haven't tried many keyboards on different laptops, the ones that I have used, this comes at the top. It's better than that found on Lenovo X1 Carbon, even though that keyboard is pretty amazing. We have plenty of I/O, 2 USB-A 3.0 ports which are blazing fast, MagSafe, a headphone jack, and 2 Thunderbolt ports for connecting 2 external monitors. The 2015 MacBook Pro is a gem, and I think this is why this machine is regarded as the best MacBook ever. I think I'm drifting away from today's agenda, which is a day in life with the 2015 MacBook Pro. There are so many things to say about this laptop and many specifications to cover. I have almost 1,000 battery life cycles on this machine, 970 life cycles to be precise at the time of writing the script, which means in many scenarios that I need to change the battery, but all I can say is that I'm still happy with the battery performance of this Mac. I bought it refurbished, and for 7 years the battery health of this machine is sitting at 79%, which sounds low, but it is pretty good. I get more than 4 hours on screen time when using this machine lightly, and more than 2 hours on screen time on a heavy usage. When I need to top up the charge, I use the MagSafe charger, which connects to this Mac using magnets, and it is an 85-watt power brick, which is insane. For almost 1 hour, the charger will have filled almost 80% of the battery from 0%. Mark you, I only charge this machine twice a day when I'm doing some light work, such as watching videos and writing scripts. When editing, I keep my charger on for full performance.
Watch me go. Lose control. Is this real?
macOS Monterey will be the last officially supported OS. This is bad because now we have Ventura and Sonoma updates, which newer Macs are getting. There is an official way to do it, but I'd rather stick to the official way. Monterey is performing good on this machine, and it receives timely security updates, which is a plus for me. All softwares that I use run very well on this Mac. and haven't yet experienced any sort of problems. Obvious, some spinning beach ball of death here and there, but not so often. Whether using Sonoma, Ventura or Monterey, the performance is almost similar with only some slightly different visual and add-ons. Time is moving fast, and I think the performance of the MacBook Pro 2015 is on a downward trajectory. I have my theory that it is not the machine getting old, since the chip that the 15-inch MacBook Pro uses is still capable. I think Apple is crippling this machine's performance with the updates, because when under load the fans get very loud and the machine gets hot and you cannot use it on your laps. This could be because the company doesn't want people to hold onto their machines for a long time and should upgrade to newer M-series laptops. When editing on DaVinci Resolve 18, the machine sometimes froze on playbacks, especially when using heavy effects. It is not a perfect laptop, especially for a machine that came out in 2015, but there has never been a perfect laptop. You get some, you lose some. I will try and answer some questions that I have previously been asked by my viewers. Is it a good machine in 2023? Absolutely, it is a perfect machine for me as a YouTuber. It ticks all my boxes. Even though the fan noise can be irritating, the performance is still amazing. The build quality is top-notch. The machine is made up of aluminum and there are no creaks and the screen doesn't wobble. Who should buy this machine? Anyone who is getting into macOS can buy this machine, especially now that refurbished ones are very cheap today. I get to edit my videos on it and apply some effects, but the machine is capable. The greatest flex I have is getting this machine. I have no regrets whatsoever. I use headphones most of the time, so the fan noise is a non-issue to me. I'm not saying that everyone should get this MacBook. If you have the resources, get the M series, which uses Apple Silicon. But if your resources are scarce, get this one and avoid problems with the butterfly keyboards on the 2016 to 2019 MacBooks. Hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one.